3 terrible decisions you may have already made about your child's inheritance. Hi, I'm attorney Paul Bernstein of the Bernstein Law Group, and over the last 25 plus years helping local families with their estate plans, we've seen in their prior estate plans 3 terrible decisions that seem to crop up with some frequency. One terrible decision is giving the inheritance to the children in such a way that they're just not prepared to receive an infusion of money. What many clients don't realize is once the client passes away, the child will often get more cash, more money than the parent themselves had. How is that possible? Well, frequently any real estate that's owned is sold, so now it goes from real estate to cash. Investments are often liquidated. Life insurance, death benefit may flow in, so there's a lot of cash. And a decision is made in many estate plans in such a way that the child just doesn't have the financial understanding of how to deal with this infusion or windfall of money. We call it the lottery winner syndrome. We call it that because many lottery winners that get a significant amount of winnings through the lottery are not prepared to deal with that kind of financial infusion of money. And what happens is a few years later, they're declaring bankruptcy. They didn't know how to handle it. The same can happen with the child that's not prepared from a financial perspective on how to deal with that infusion of an inheritance. So that's one terrible decision we see frequently. Another one is leaving the inheritance in such a way that it could be lost, or at least 50% of it, if that child is married and subsequently gets divorced. We see that frequently. It just is in such a way that it's very easy in a divorce situation to lose 50% of the inheritance. And the third decision we see is leaving an inheritance in such a way that if a child were on certain government benefits because of disabilities, that they'll lose the benefits that they're receiving from the government because of the inheritance. That's a horrible, horrible mistake, a horrible decision that needn't have to be that way. I hope you found this informative. If you think you've made any of these types of mistakes, or if you have any questions or just not sure what to do, feel free to reach out. Thank you.